Welcome to another Enjoying Art watercolor lesson. Today we're going to paint this seascape of a boat in the ocean. I'm going to talk about how to paint this without drawing. Just keep a little light shape at the front over here. Mix with a little bit red. Start from the top over here. I'm going to start having the light shape. Here you go. Notice the light shape over here. And coming this way. Okay. Like that, I use the corner of this brush. That's good. Like this, and coming over here, coming down, I'm gonna have a little bit more blue. And be a little careful. That's need to take care of that too. I'm gonna have a little bit coming down over here, and all the way coming here. And also leave a little light shape on the edge over here. And have that coming here, like that. That's just fine. A little bit light. Okay, that's good. Now coming back over here, watch out the timing. Okay, here, right here, coming over here, just use this side of the brush like that. Make a little bit softer because right now at the top over here, the wet staying on the top. Okay, that's just good. I have that coming, have a little bit more dividing the side. This is good. And coming over here. Now it has a nice shape, light and dark. Now I'm going to switch to my calligraphy brush. Here you go. I'm going to use a little bit blue color. And at the front over here, I have a little blue and green color. That's interesting. Now I'm going to first use the blue with this. I'm going to coming over here to see. I'm going to have just put a little shape like that. Here you go. There's some details at the front. Okay, that's good. Like that. Drag a little color. And you can also have a little bit color coming in like this. And this is good. Now applying a little bit more details. And still looking for how to make the water a little bit more interesting and dynamic. Okay, that's good. Just use the corner, make a little bit softer, and they can also now I'm going to lift it up to let go some of the texture if I don't want to keep that texture that much. Okay, here you go. Okay, that's good. That's no problem. Okay, now I'm going to have this color coming in over here. So this white, and this look interesting. But I'm going to use just a little bit color and coming in over here and just have a little bit shape like that, dividing it and seeing some shadow. Okay, that's good. A little bit longer and a little bit longer like that. That's good. Okay, here you go. A little bit longer shape, some little bit shorter shape. Shorter line, that's good, like that. Okay, we'll come back to even add a little bit darker in between over here. That's good. I'm gonna have this line all the way. If I just move my hand coming down here, actually this line I'm gonna have a little bit tilted, not totally just vertical. I'm gonna have this coming here. Let's take a look. Here we go. Right, one line, not perfect. So I'm gonna have the second line coming over here, a little bit more toward on the right hand side, right? Here we go. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, I don't have to make it exactly look like that. It can be a little bit different based on the angle of the boat or maybe the body of the boat. Now here we go. Now I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, almost like a cut it into quarters on the middle. Now I'm gonna draw the line right in the middle over here. That's good. Like that. 1. And then down over here, another 1. You can make it very, very thin line. It's almost like a one hair touching it. That's fine. Over here. Okay, here you go. Like that. This is great. Now I'm going to have some thin line coming down. Now I'm going to watch out for the tip of the brush. Here you go. Be very thin. And here you go. Very thin. Look at that, how far from the center. Okay, a little bit like that. Okay, very thin line. Yeah, maybe too thin. Okay, take a look on this side. Coming from here all the way. That's good. Now all the way coming like a one step at a time. Coming a little bit more straight like this, and all the way coming down over here. So this is good. And now I'm gonna have this coming up all the way from here. Try to have the line straight, because all those lines need to be very straight and no curve. They're not loose. And here you go, like that. Okay, that's good. And I have a little line over here at the top. It looks like something over here. That's good, like an antenna. And take a look, and some of the lines straight from the top over here. You don't have to do so many lines, just a couple lines, that could be fine. See that? Very, very thin. Here you go. Okay, very, very thin. A few lines, maybe one more, like that. That's good. Right, on this side too, I'm gonna have one more line, a little bit thinner, like that, and have some line over here. That's good. I can have some line over here. Analyze it. Some line coming over here, like that. Little line over here. That should be good enough. And I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker. Okay, the top over here, make it a little bit stronger. That's fine. Like that. I can make this line also stronger. A little bit thicker. That's good. Right. All right. That's good. The most critical part is already done. I'm gonna make this coming here like that. A little bit visible. And now I'm gonna take a look at the both body. Okay, here we go. Top over here, and like that. At the bottom, have a little bit line. That's good. I also see the back, just a little bit oval shape. Now I'm gonna have this side a little bit darker. Here you go, like that. Okay, that's good. And now I'm gonna take a look in the back over here. Have a little bit more blue color. Just take a little bit blue right over here. As you go, like that. It's great. And that's good. I don't want to have it all connected, so leave a little bit light shade. That's fine. Okay, now also on this side have a little light shade too. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit, make a little lighter. That's fine. Now I take over here, I'm gonna have this color gradually coming up here, and also the top over here have a little bit more like that. That's pretty good. And that's the back, right? And the bottom over here can be a little bit darker, so here you go, right under here, even darker. That's good. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna painting this shape. Those are very relaxing. Okay, take a look at that, and here you go, one shape. Okay, coming over here, and a little big shape coming over here, like that. That's good. A little bit on the top. That's good. There's something coming over, and like that. That's good. And we're also going to give a little suggestions of some of the flag or something over here. They always put the flags on the boat. Okay, like that. A little bit. This is good. Like that. Wonderful. And then have a little bit something in the middle over here. Okay, a little bit over here too. A little bit round shape over here, and so on. You can make it up the way you want it. Okay, now I'm gonna have a little bit brown color ish in the middle over here and the other side. Okay, that's good. That, and the front over here, just put a little shape over here. If you want to make it feel like there's some people standing over there, that would be totally fine and easy. Okay, just draw some shape over there, and I'm gonna have a little bit shadow under the water. Okay, right over here, have a little bit reflection. So I don't want to have it all connected. Just have some, just a little bit texture. Just use the water to soften it. Okay, that's good. Like that. A little bit more. A little bit darker over there. That's good. And I'm gonna have also a little bit reflection like that. Have a few lines like this, and like that too. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna have it on this side a little bit softer, like that. Okay, that's good. And I can also continue this color. Have a little bit shade coming over here. Now I can enforce a little shape over here and a little shape on this side. This is all about movement, connection, harmony. So this is more important than say, oh, the boat. Okay, so next time, don't really need to pay much attention into drawing it, right? So because you know the drawing, it doesn't really matter sometimes. Okay, now I'm gonna stop the painting here.